4th of July. We're gonna go on a little adventure before the fireworks begin.
Okay.
Let's just kill this corn. Die corn.
He has a YouTube channel.
Really? Yes, I do. It says on my Facebook. Job. YouTube. Blogging.
Andrew, your barn door is open.
It's been like that. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Die tree. Ow.
Take shoes off.
Oh, I'll tell my mom.
We're back.
My mom to tell my Aunt Danny to grab bug spray.
Well, I'm about to pee my pants, so I'll be over here.
Well, don't pee right there. There's thousands of people watching. Alright.
I'll be in the woods behind the big tree. I'll be right back.
People.
Boy, I don't want to be on your YouTube channel.
Why?
Wait, you're recording? Why don't you record it from your front camera?
Because I am. I'm recording it from my front Oh, no. I don't want to.
Why?
Because teachers record from the back camera. What's that smell? Smells like...
You had a mosquito on your head.
Yeah, as you can see, I got a beautiful haircut.
You're not letting them already.
Attack of the fireworks. Don't spray me. I don't want that girly crap all over me. Which... Just spit all over my camera. Yeah, I did that.
Found you, Scotty.
I'm gonna kill myself, dude. You shouldn't have gave me.
How much corn?
Children of the porn.
Children of the corn! Children of the corn! Children of the corn!
Children of the porn.
I don't want to be a queen with children.
Do you know what porn is?
I'm getting bit off.
Okay. That sounds like a big sex orgy.
Take the thing in your cheek.
Yeah.
Just ignore the bugs.
What's the point?
It's boring to just sit in the thing.
It's amazing. Where are they lighting the fireworks off
Why
at?
don't you just put your face on the camera?
Because I don't wanna.
You want me to record you? I'll record you.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not gonna. No. No. I thought you were gonna take out your phone and start recording me.
Oh, what you got on your phone?
Huh?
Porn? You got porn on there? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you positive?
I'm positive. All right. Where are they lighting the fireworks off at?
Changing the subject.
I always change the subject when something embarrassing and you guys ask me, do I do this?
How is porn embarrassing?
Well, porn is weird. It's just sex, dude. It's weird. It's just weird.
What?
So where are they lighting the fireworks off at? Over by where all that smoke is or where those trailers are? You sound like you just got done snorting cocaine.
Haley, where are you going?
And shite. That's German for you know what.
Dude, if you move, they won't follow you. There's like 10 following you, dude.
Well, don't move then.
Yeah, if I didn't go in there. Dude, if I saw a snake, they're gonna get bit by a snake.
Oh, fudge.
Brooklyn, you're gonna get ate by a snake.
And she just falls into a big pit trap. Woo!
What the fuck do people watch? fireworks right here. You're supposed to park on the freaking highway.
I don't fucking know.
You're supposed to be parking like where them people are.
Well, that's Hannah.
You should probably want to bring this to the store. So you get someone to do it. I'm like, shoot. Be like,
Stop throwing stuff at me. This is also going on my Facebook.
oh, hell no.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
How many views do you get?
Views? I don't know. I don't check. Last I checked, I had 2 subscribers, which I'm not very proud.
How many subscribers do you have?
2.
I'll subscribe to you.
I think I might only
I
have.
watch your videos and I just die laughing.
Oh no, they're gonna kill us all with bombs. Hey, so I had this thing I posted on Facebook. So it was an Eminem meme. It said, it had a picture of Eminem, and then there's words that said, everyone blamed everything on me until Donald Trump was like, oh, you did?
Yeah, I stalked your Facebook.
Stalker. Wow, that was wild. Yeah. Bombs!
You like my butt?
Donald Trump's gonna kill us all! Britney Spears.
I like my bottom. You have one time.
You cannot push it.
Push! No, you're dildos with the You're dildos with the corn. You're dildos with the porn. Dildos with the porn. Get out of here. Get the horror things for the horror movie. I think Brooklyn's gonna be a good horror movie actor. You wanna know why? Cause she's annoying and it scares
You know
people.
Markiplier subscribed to your video?
What?
He did! I was on my journey phone and said Markiplier, Maverick, me,
No, I subscribed to them. It was me. I subscribed to them.
Markiplier.
Uh-huh.
Markiplier subscribed to you?
No, I subscribed to him. All the people that shows I subscribe to is who I subscribe
Look
to.
at it, it's on my eye.
Selfie Girls. New movie coming out soon. All they care about is how they look in a selfie, I guess.
Say that.
Don't slap me, I'll punch you in the face.
Yeah, I feel like I have a broken leg there.
Elf. Ethan's an elf.
My Ethan.
No, Ethan's a midget.
Let's go!
Actually,
Let's go, my brother.
midget.
Hey, stop on your name.
Oh, shoot, you're
Lame.
taking a video.
Lame. Hey, I'll break your middle finger. You flip off any of my viewers again, I'll destroy you.
Watch this every day.
Yeah, I see you.
She was twerking.
Yeah, I don't want to see that.
Brooklyn, how does children...
Master.
Yes, Brooklyn, how does children in school look like? Oh, they're very weird looking.
Oh, I hate that person. What? Go to my camera.
Mm.
Boy, if you don't stop recording me,
Mm.
where to God?
Hi, everybody.
Go away.
Hey, nobody likes you. You bitches. What? Oh!
I could have done that a lot harder.
Mom!
Mm.
Andrew punched me!
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Did I punch her? Brooklyn's lying.
Subscribe to my videos.
They don't even know who you are.
Okay. Wait, let me see.
They don't, and you know what? I don't want them to know that because they don't even need to know who you are. You're just a random person who comes into my videos.
YouTube anyways.
Yeah, because he wants to be just like me. Urgh.
Subscribe to Andrew's videos. And Markiplier.
Let's all take a group picture. Like this. So get in the picture, Andrew. But put your ratchet phone down. Gotta get in the picture.